Hi everybody from John's Model Works. This is something just for fun. This is something I got off the Thingiverse website as a just for fun infinity cube to 3D print. Just a simple fun thing to print, nothing fancy. But what I did to make it more interesting is you can see that there's more than one layer of different metallic paint on this thing. It starts off with gold at the bottom, and then some bronze, and then some copper, and then some metallic blue all the way here at the top to give a little bit of a contrast between the pure metal colors. This was just for fun. Just for fun. Nothing fancy, just to toss together, but I had a lot of fun with it. The other fun thing I had with 3D printing is this. Now, what on earth is this, you say? It's a cylinder with numbers all over it. Well, if you look at the first few numbers, it's pi. 3.14159,765. And it goes on and on and on and on. And at the very bottom, you can see, why yes, it is pi inside. So this was just a fun 3D print. That's it. Again, it's something from Thingiverse. Just a quick wash of black paint over the whole thing, and then put on the belt sander to create some highlight contrast between the numbers and the black paint. Tower Pi. A lot of fun. Thanks again from John's Model Works. Bye.